Welcome to Universal Studios Singapore! So guys, if you are a GCash member or GCash user, maganda na magpagawa kayo ng card na ganito while traveling to Singapore. Kasi it helps you in terms of like going into yung mga public train and also bus. Hindi mo na kailangan pang bumili ng card nila. So pwede na to diretso dun sa GCash mo. Okay? GCash. G-card. We're going inside the Universal Studios Singapore. So as you can see, yung globe is actually nandito sa may harapan ng entrance, and then you can already purchase your tickets beforehand through the app nila, Resorts World app, or you can book it via Klook. So this one costs around 3,200 for the tickets. So yeah, better to get your purchases early and online para at least hindi na hassle to purchase tickets here. Okay? I'll tour you. 30 minutes. Perfect. Yan yung bubungad sa inyo guys when you enter. I think this is the main avenue. Yan! Perfect. Ang cute guys, meron silang mga ganyan. Nandito si Gru. Ayan, tsaka yung kanyang wifey. And may mga nagpapapicture. And then if you go here, dito na. Charan. O yan na yung mga rides. Later, I'll take you to the rides. Yay! And this one, the main street. Woohoo! Very nice. Guys, sobrang unpredictable ng weather dito sa Singapore. Kanina umaga, sobrang lakas ng ulan. As in, sobrang lakas. Para siyang Christine level. Joke lang. Pero, para siyang may bagyo. And then, after that, mga 10 o'clock, bilang tumigil. Ngayon, sobrang sunny. Akala ko, hindi na kami matutuloy dito sa Universal. Kasi nga, malakas yung ulan kanina. Pero, yeah, let's see. Ngayon, kailangan nyo dito na meron kayong mga comfy clothes. Kaya naka-sleeveless ako now. Para at least madaling mag-mikot-ikot. Kasi mainit nga. Right? So for our first ride guys, we will be riding the Universal Studios, sorry, mali pala. We're riding the Transformers. The Transformers ride. So ito yung queue niya. Haba. Ang haba, walang tao. Buti ngayon walang tao, even if it's a Sunday, wala masyadong tao, pero normally it can get crowded. So guys, nandito tayo, nakapila tayo ngayon dito sa may Transformers. Makita niyo, ang daming tao pala. Kanina walang tao dito. So ngayon maraming palang tao. Ang maganda dito kasi ano siya, komportable ka nakapila. Hindi ka tulad sa Enchanted Kingdom na nakapila ka tapos bilad na bilad ka sa araw. Ganun. Dami ka. Ay, hindi pa. So guys, done na kami with the Transformers. And maganda yung ride. Sobrang ganda ng ride. 4D experience siya na gumagalaw siya. Worth it yung pagpunta mo doon. Even yung ano yun? Yung linya, worth it siya. So if you have time, go visit it first. Kasi medyo mahaba yung pila, tsaka maraming tao na nag-avail. Okay? So we're here at the Ancient Egypt dito sa loob ng Universal Studios Singapore. So as you can see, dito sa likod nito is the attraction na The Mummy. So it's a ride na gagawin natin now, okay? So guys, sarado yung The Mummy ride. Hindi nila alam kung magbubukas siya today, pero sarado daw siya. So try natin ulit mamaya. So guys, we're here at the Sci-Fi City where you can see at the back is the Battlestar Galactica. So dalawang track siya. So isang cyclone siya, isang human. Yung cyclone yun yung nakatayo ka, yung human yun yung nakaupo ka. Okay? So ita-try natin siya. Hopefully hindi ako masuka later. Pero maganda naman yung ride. Oh my God. Kaya ko ba yan? Kaya yan. Guys, sobrang ganda at saka sobrang saya. Pero nakakahilo siya. So nahilo ako. Medyo nahihilo pa ako ngayon. So sumakay kami doon. So dalawa nga siya. Sinakyan namin yung cyclone. Ano siya? It's a high-speed ride. So for those na gusto ng talagang adrenaline, as in yun. Ang maganda sa kanya kasi hindi siya tumitigil. Saka mabilis yung speed niya. Wala siyang yung parang mga hanging-hanging na para maging suspense ka pa. Doon wala. Pag on niya, talagang lalabas na siya. Tsaka dire-diretso siya talaga. As in, dire-diretso. Okay? So try nyo siya. Andiyan siya. Tapos may lockers naman sa gilid so you can put your things dun sa gilid na locker. Alright? So guys, showtime is 5:15. Ay, 5:15. 1:15 for the water world. So dito siya. So may mga worlds naman siya dito. Yan. Papunta na tayo ngayon sa water world. Galing tayo kanina dun sa Sci-Fi City tsaka Ancient World. This one is a attraction din. May show. Medyo maraming tao. This is Water World.
Many loud effects,
so guys,
gunfires, and pyrotechnics, which may startle small children.
We're waiting for the
guests who are seated in our blue zones may even soaked during today's performance. You are
guys, done with the water world. So ano siya, para siyang performance na makikita mo yung mga stunts na ginagawa nila doon sa water world. Actually may water world na movie kung ano, yun doon siya adapted. So maganda siya. Upo ka lang doon tapos panonood mo siya. Amazing. So guys, napakainit. So nag-transfer na ako ng Sprite dito sa aking water bottle. So, kung pupunta kayo dito sa Universal Studios Singapore, make sure na may dala kayo extra na damit at saka may dala kayong payong at sunblock. Kasi sobrang, init. Tapos baka mamaya bigla pa siyang umulan. So, yun. Okay? So, we're now here at the Jurassic Park, Jurassic World. So, guys, naalala ko ng bata ako. May laro kami ng magkapatid. Yan. Jurassic World, Jurassic Park. So, naglalaro kami ng dinosaur. Yeah. So guys, ayan yung pila sa likod. Merong Universal Express, meaning yun yung mga tickets na pwede kang mag-skip ng line. So meron siyang dedicated line na pwede mong puntahan para at least mas maaga ka makapunta dun sa ride. No? So I think mabibili mo rin siya online and also sa Klook. Parang mga additional 4,000 pesos. So kung nagmamadali ka and you want to really maximize your time here, I suggest that you get that additional, okay? Meron pala tayong i-interview dito na isang Pilipino na first time pumunta ng isang theme park. Ano masasabi mo at i-compare mo sa...
Na-experience ko naman yung pickpack boom sa Philippines.
So i-compare mo naman yung Pick Pack Boom dito sa Universal Studios?
Medyo kailangan pa nilang i-improve tong Universal Studios compared sa Pick Pack Boom.
Okay. Sige, sasabihin natin yan sa management ng Universal Studios.
Just a reminder.
Nabasa ako dun sa ride na yun. Pero okay naman, box naman. Masaya, maganda yung ride, pero nakakabigla yung dulo kasi bigla na lang siyang babagsak. So, yung batang kasama namin, medyo naiyak siya kasi nga nabasa siya, tsaka medyo matakas yung pinag-fall. So guys, may squirrel. Yun siya. Ayun siya, kumakain siya doon. So we're done guys with the Jurassic Park, and now we're going to far away. So guys, welcome. So you can see, nandito naman tayo sa Kingdom ni Shrek. As you can see, doon sa gilid na yun, nandun si Shrek. Ayan, ito, papakita natin. So ayan, nakikita niya si Shrek nandun sa likuran. Nagpapapicture siya. So this is an attraction as well na pwede ninyong gawin. It's a 4D theater inside, but yeah, so maganda rin siyang experience. Eh, medyo mainit, as you can see. But this is the Kingdom far away! So guys, nandito naman tayo sa far away. So kung makikita ninyo, ang daming tao. So this is a 4D experience na gagawin natin. Okay? So maraming tao. Para siyang reality. So ayan siya guys, ang Universal Studios Singapore. As you can see, yan yung Battlestar Galactica, yung Cyclone Inhuman, and then that's the New York one. Then this is the far away land. Then there's a, ginagawa yung Despicable Me or yung Minions land. So kaya sarado, kaya dito pinapadaan. But this is where also the mini river. I think meron mga presentations dito before. Yes. Guys, this is our lunch. It's a pizza, and then there's a dessert. This one is I think chicken, white cheese, and then you have like the dessert, apple. Yep. So this is the restaurant that they have inside. It's a pizza parlor. It's called Lou's Pizza. So meron siyang full pizza tsaka mga solo. So this one we got is around $20 for a meal. So it has pizza, dessert, and the drink. Medyo mahal siya, medyo pricey. Pero gutom na kami. Guys, meron silang Sesame Street store here. You can purchase it. And then cute. Siyempre ang favorite natin si Elmo. Done with the Mummy, finally. So, nag-open siya ng mga 4 PM. Buti na lang bumalik kami kasi ano naman pala siya, open siya. Pero magko-close na kasi yung park ng 5 o'clock. So, dapat pala, parati kayong bumabalik dun sa ride. Lalo na kung sarado siya or bukas siya, para i-check lang kung sarado or bukas. Pero, it was a 10 out of 10 ride. So, wag niyong imi-miss yung The Mummy dito sa may ancient Egypt area, okay? So guys, thank you very much for watching the video. So today is a very good day, a very good weather for us here at Universal Studios Singapore. So if you have one day to spend, I would recommend definitely going here. There are a lot of attractions that you can go to, especially kapag may makasama ka mga kids, no? And not only for kids but also for adults. So if you have time, just visit this one. You can book it via Klook or also in Universal Studios online store. So definitely I will go back, okay? So don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. All right, bye.